In this video, we will set up the project folder structures. I have created the GitHub repository for this project. You can check the link in the description below. I assume you already have the GitHub repository on your computer. Open the command prompt window and type command git clone, then paste the URL and press the enter key. It will download the empty projects from GitHub repository. Type command cd ufo.org to change path. Now let's create two new folders. One is named backend, the other one is named frontend. By typing command mkdir following with the folder name. After we created two folders, type command cd backend to change path. Type command npm init-y to create a new empty npm project. Type command dir. You will see there is a package.json file inside the folder. Next step, type command cd /frontend. Now we are in the frontend folder. Let's create a React project by entering command npx space create -react -app space dot. The dot means to create a project in the current folder. It will take a few minutes to download all the Node packages. After it finishes, type command npm start. It will start the local development server. You will see the React app is running in the browser window. So we finished the project setup. Next video, we will create the backend API for our project with Postman.